The invitation. On Monday evening, I opened my email after work. There was a message from my company. I had to go to a special dinner on Friday. It was for our best clients, and my boss wanted me to meet them. I felt happy, but also nervous. I did not have the right outfit. My clothes were too casual or too old. I needed something smart, comfortable, and not too expensive. I stood in front of my wardrobe and looked at everything. A black dress was too tight. A blue shirt had a small stain. My favorite jacket looked tired. I took a deep breath and made a plan. Tomorrow after work, I would go to the shopping center. I wrote 3 words in my notebook: elegant, simple, and confident. I wanted to feel like myself, but better. At the shopping center. The next day, I went to the shopping center after work. It was busy, but I felt ready. I walked past shoe shops, cafes, and bright windows. In one window, I saw a dark green dress on a mannequin. It was simple, but it looked special. Next to it was a cream jacket. I imagined myself at the dinner, smiling and talking to the clients. I went into the store, and a friendly assistant came to me. She asked, "Can I help you?" I told her about the dinner and my budget. She listened carefully and brought me 3 dresses: green, navy, and black. She also found a soft jacket and a thin belt. I liked that she did not push me. She said, "Try them slowly. The best outfit should feel good, too." Her words made me less nervous. The fitting room. In the fitting room, I tried the black dress first. It was nice, but it felt too formal. I could not move easily. Then I tried the navy dress. The color was good, but the shape was not right for me. I looked in the mirror and shook my head. I wanted to look professional, not uncomfortable. Last, I tried the dark green dress. It had short sleeves and a soft skirt. It was not too tight, and it was not too plain. I put on the cream jacket and the thin belt. Suddenly, the outfit looked complete. I stood taller in the mirror. I smiled a little. The assistant came back and said the color looked great with my hair and eyes. I agreed, but I still had one problem. I needed shoes, and my old black shoes would not match. The final touches. The assistant showed me the shoe section. I tried high heels first, but they hurt after 1 minute. I laughed and said, "No, thank you." Then I found nude low-heeled shoes. They were simple and easy to walk in. With the green dress and cream jacket, they looked just right. I walked in front of the mirror and felt comfortable. After that, I chose a small beige bag and a thin gold bracelet. I did not want too many accessories. The dinner was important, but I wanted a natural look. At the cash desk, I checked the price. It was close to my budget, but still okay. I paid and held the bag carefully. On my way home, I felt proud. I had not just bought clothes. I had chosen an outfit that helped me feel ready. The special dinner. On Friday evening, I got ready slowly. I wore the dark green dress, the cream jacket, and the comfortable shoes. I brushed my hair, put on light makeup, and added the small bracelet. When I looked in the mirror, I did not feel like a different person. I felt like the best version of myself. That was exactly what I wanted. At the restaurant, my boss smiled and said, "You look very professional." I thanked her and felt calm. During dinner, I spoke with 2 clients about work and travel. I listened, asked questions, and did not think about my clothes anymore. That was the best sign. The outfit did its job. It gave me confidence, and then it let me enjoy the evening. When I went home, I knew the shopping trip had been a success.